everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Thanks for stopping by today. I've got a cute little treat holder for you for Halloween because it is right around the corner. So let's get started, and I'm going to start off by going through what you're going to need to recreate this cute little treat. So we are using, let's start here. I'm going to be using our treat bags, our new treat bags. These are our craft pillow boxes. They look like this. They're super adorable. You can find everything that I am showing you today in our holiday catalog. And the stamp set we're using is the Wonderfully Wicked right here. That's page 55. And I'm also using the Wicked dies. It comes as a bundle, and you can save 10% if you purchase them together. And it's a darling, darling, darling bundle. So we're using the pillow boxes, and this is the number on those. Hold on, I will roll this up a little bit so you can see that. That is the item code or product number, and they are simply called craft pillow boxes. Okay, so we're going to be using those. I told you about the stamp set and the die. I am also using the layering ovals dies. I am using the, I believe it's the 2-inch scalloped. I've got some little candy treats, my favorite Heath bars, and you can tell because sadly the bag is empty. The bag is empty. I just cannot resist. We're going to be using our beautiful glittered organdy ribbon again. I love this, and here is the product number for that as well. Love it. Our Memento Tuxedo Black ink, pumpkin pie, and then just some large rhinestones. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm going to start with, this is how the pillow boxes come, and you just push them in like so. They go together super easily. This could hold a number of treats, but I'm going to just put 3 Heath bars in here. And voila. That's it. That's all you do. And they're super cute with little white polka dots. Adorable. All right. I am going to use my, I'm just going to get this part done because this is so stinking simple, you guys. And it's so cute. I am going to wrap this with my fantabulous ribbon. And I'm going to attempt to make a bow live on air. And I'm going to kind of put it over here to the side a bit. Okay, and I'm going to try to twist this to get as much sparkle as I can. Although it comes through on both sides, so you really don't have to worry about it. And I'm going to make a nice, fluffy bow. Because it's all about the cuteness and treats and chocolates and more chocolate. Okay, so here's an impromptu poll. What is your favorite Halloween candy? I don't know. I've got Reese's are a close one for me. I love the Heath. Yeah. All right, I'm not going to try to fuss too much with this because I'll end up making a bigger mess, but you get the gist. So I'm going to tie a cute bow like so, trim my little angles, and there we go. Cute. Okay, so that's really cute in and of itself. But then with the dies that I was telling you, I have punched out a circle oval, and then I also punched out in Gorgeous Grape using the Wicked, and there's a little itty bitty spider that comes in the die too. So I punched him out in Gorgeous Grape and the word Wicked as well. So let's start with our stamping first on this piece. And I am going to grab a quick piece of scratch paper, and I'm going to start with my kitty cat. I'm using the kitty cat from the stamp set because it's super cute. And I'm going to stamp the kitty cat in the center, but I'm turning my oval horizontally. And I'm going to put the kitty cat towards the top, but in the center, like so. Next, I'm going to stamp the spider web. And I'm just going to, I don't have to stamp the whole thing. I'm just going to use, you know, a corner of it in our Memento black. And that's it for our stamping. We can start to put this cute thing together. All right, so one thing that I am also using is, excuse me, this Xyron maker. Now this is the big one. I don't know, it's probably 6 inches wide. It doesn't say, but it's the sticker maker. I'm sorry, it's the 5-inch Create a Sticker. 5-inch Create a Sticker. They also have a smaller one, this one, but what I need isn't going to fit through this little opening. So you may be familiar with this, but I'm going to use the bigger one. And I am going to stick all my little die cut pieces, my Wicked, my, yeah, come on, I can't pick it up, my oval cut piece, and my wee little bitty spider. And I'm going to push everything through. Come on, little spider. Is it coming out on the end? There he is. All right. I love this thing, and I haven't used it in quite some time. I'm also going to use a black pen. So I'm just going to turn this over, rub it really well. You can burnish it if you like. Get that all over. And what this does basically is this turns anything into a sticker. So the back of this is completely covered with adhesive. All right, so I'm going to adhere this to the front of my pillow box. I'm going to go fast because I'm running out of juice here, folks. Ah! I'm going to peel my Wicked. This is so cute. And I'm going to put this across the front. Because this is a wicked good treat. That's right, it is. And then I'm going to add my little spider. First, I'm just going to add a little woo, because he's coming down from his web. And I am going to add my little spider. And then lastly, I'm going to take a rhinestone and put it on my Wicked. And I'm going to retie my knot and make it go the other way. Hold the phone, have it go this way, because that way then my bows won't cover so much of my W. And then just give it a good push down and it will work over your curve of your box. Isn't that so cute? I love it. Okay, so that's it, you guys. That is my Wicked project for you today. There you have it. Let me zoom in a little bit and you can get some ideas, but I think this is so stinking cute. And again, I didn't push down very hard on this, but it will conform to the shape of your box. There it goes. Super cute. So I hope you like this fun and easy craft project. Treats, of course, are the big hit right now, so I hope that gives you some ideas, and you'll find all the links down below to my Stampin' Up! Online store. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below as well. I always get back to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That way I know.